Hello and welcome back to the channel. So if you have been following my channel, you would know that I am really in love with Zoysia grass. But over the last several months, this lawn has started to show some problems. So it's becoming uneven. The thatch layer is getting a lot thicker. And when the lawn is watered, the water doesn't tend to soak as it should. Altogether, the lawn still looks reasonably decent. I know the lawn can actually look a lot better because it has looked a lot better than this over the years. So today I'll be starting a complete lawn renovation. So we're going to scarify the lawn because the thatch layer that is present makes it very difficult for the lawn to be mowed. So the lawn will be scarified first to remove the thatch layer that is present, and then the lawn will be scalped. So the scarification will be done using a scarifier, that's what it's called. Also, once the thatch layer has been removed, the lawn will then be scalped using firstly the rotary mower, and it will be brought down almost down to the soil using the real mower. So after the lawn is scalped, it is also going to be top dressed using manure, and it will be leveled using sand. Also, I will be applying some pre-emergent herbicide as a means of providing a protective layer on the soil to prevent the germination of weed seeds. So by the end of this series, you will see if the lawn can become the best that it has ever looked. So the entire process will be covered in a 3-part series. So there will be 3 separate videos. In the next video, I will be scarifying and scalping the lawn. Then in the third video, I will be leveling out the lawn using sand and applying some pre-emergent herbicide. So if you would like to see how the renovation turns out, subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell so that you won't miss the next episode. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video.